Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable ANC mode and transparency mode on your headphones Moto Buds Plus. You have to start by opening the application, and right here you have basically two options how to do it. The first one is just click here in the application, but you should put the headphones to your ears. And you just click it and you have ANC, or you have transparency mode right here, or you can choose adaptive. Also you can just press and hold on touch button and enable ANC or transparency. So I'm just press and hold. And as you can see, I swapped to ANC, and if I'm doing it again, I will swap to transparency. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!